Dither White noise. So, reading the Mastering audiobook, The Art and Science, they're trying to say if you record at 24-bit rates, automatic dither is happening. Some engineers will, put a dither in there anyways, but if you were to record or save a file, as I'm going to do here, save MP3 file, whatever, and you're going into the sample rates, 24-bit, if you just go in and hear the bit rate, 24-bit would be automatic dither. If I leave this at 24-bit though, this is WavePad, editing software, recording software, it's going to go, you're attempting to use low quality compression settings which will make the audio deteriorate. Use 193 kilobytes or higher for better quality. So at 24, even though automatic dither is happening there, it's telling you to go this because it's too low. So I'm going to say that automatic dither is going to happen. Just something to know. I'm going to save this right here now. Okay, thanks for listening. If you want to subscribe to the channel with more great audio engineering tips and mastering tips. And give the video a like, I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much and happy recording.